All right, let's crush an instant nerdle. Instant nerdle is a scrambled up math equation that you have to unscramble. So we've got division today, which means that we're going to have a triple digit divided by a double digit equals a single digit, or a triple digit divided by a single digit equals a double digit. So these purple tiles are in the wrong place and the green tile is in the right place. So I know this 6 is absolutely going to go here, which is telling me that this is going to equal a double digit number. There's no way it could equal anything else. It can't equal a triple digit number because we can't have we don't have enough characters to do that. We can't do a triple digit. We can't do a double digit divided by a double digit equals a triple digit. That's not possible. So this number has to stay kind of small. And since the 6 goes here, I know that it has to equal a double digit number. And the only way that's going to work is if we have a triple digit number divided by a single digit number. So already I've figured out the format of the equation. Now it's about plugging in numbers until I can figure out something that works. Typically, I like to think about the single digit or the ones digit numbers, but we have a tens digit number here, so that's kind of hard. I think I'm going to consider this number right here, and then think about if the 6 will work with that. So I'm just going to try random numbers in this one spot. So with division, it's kind of hard to think about division for me. I have an easier time thinking about multiplication. So what I like to do is kind of multiply in reverse, kind of act like this, like the equal sign is a multiplication sign and this is an equal sign. So I can basically, whatever this number is, it's going to have to be 60-something times 4, right? Because a triple digit, like whatever this number is divided by this equals whatever this number is, if we divide it by 4 and then it equals this, it's going to have to be also this number times this number will have to equal this number. That's the way multiplication and division work. They're inverse functions, basically. So now I can just think about the 4 being here. So if I do 60-something times 4, I'm in the 200s, so that seems like that's going to work probably. So now I can start thinking about numbers that go here, I guess. Yeah, typically that's how I actually do it. But I can already tell that 4 would work for this number. So the 2 would go there. So let's think about numbers that can go here now. So I already used the 4 and the 2. So would 7 work? 7 times 4 ends in an 8. So 7 times 4 is 28. This number would have to be an 8 here, so that doesn't work. If I put a 1 here, we have to repeat the 4 here, so that doesn't work, and 3 doesn't work. So it's looking like 4 doesn't work here to me, because I tried all the other numbers and that didn't work. So now I'm going to try 2 here. 6 times 2 is in the 100s. It's going to be 60 times 2 is 120, so it's going to be in the 100s. And I can try some different numbers here. If I put a 4 here, this would end in an 8. That doesn't work. If I put a 7 here, that looks like it works. Does this work? So 4 would go here, and then what's my last number? 3. That works. 137 divided by 2 is 67. Wait, I meant to put a 4 here. 134 divided by 2 is 67. There's an instant nerdle for you, dude. There it is. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.